All right, last one.
Last one. Computer scientist explains machine learning in 5. Oh yeah, I like this series. This is a good series. We've talked about this series in the past. So it's on.
A really popular one was the
quantum computing.
Quantum computing, yeah.
I think they did a crypto one. Anyway, Wired, they attempt to explain something. Oh, there you go. Season 1, episode 14. 14 different episodes of explaining something at 5 different levels of difficulty. So the video will start out, it's 26 minutes. Video will start out with the simplest explanation intended for what, like a 5-year-old? Roughly?
They say a child.
Okay, so they go child, teen, college student, grad student, all the way up to expert. And so you can kind of tap out wherever you want. Or it may be helpful to take it in different stages, getting up to the level of understanding that you eventually get to if you make it to expert level.
Yeah, what's brilliant about this is that there's so many levels of abstraction, and you can kind of interpret it your own way in how they're explaining it. You know, these subjects are immensely complex, and yet they're able to distill it to even like a child, in a sense.
Yeah, through using metaphor, or they find interesting ways to discuss it. So did you find that did you just want to discuss this show, or did you find this episode particularly interesting?
It's mainly the show.
Oh,
I want people to like just check it out, because I mean this one is longer than the other ones, right?
Yeah,
I think this one's 26 minutes.
Yeah, I believe so.
But they do have a real in-depth discussion with the expert, obviously, just to have a longer dialogue.
So this is the expert here at the end, and you're at the 20-minute mark. So it's like
computer scientist.
So it's like going to be like 6 minutes here.
Yeah.
So I see what you're saying. It's a more comprehensive discussion over there. Very cool. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Machine learning in 5 levels. Thank you very much, Wired, for putting that out there. Cool way to learn something, no matter what level you may find yourself.